Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today we are looking at two emotion words that both describe feeling fear, but we use them in completely different ways.
Feeling fear? That sounds like a spooky episode. What are the words today?
The words are afraid and scared.
Oh, afraid and scared, yes. English learners use these interchangeably all the time, but native speakers naturally split them up based on the situation.
Exactly. Let's start with scared. For our learners, this is your everyday casual word for fear. It is usually a sudden, quick reaction to something happening right in front of you.
Right, it's a quick instinct. Your heart jumps and your eyes get wide.
Exactly. Let's look at a real scenario. Imagine you are walking through your dark house at midnight to get a glass of water from the kitchen.
Oh, I'm already nervous.
Suddenly, your cat jumps out of the shadows and grabs your ankle.
Oh my goodness, I would jump straight up in the air. My heart would be pounding.
Exactly. In that sudden moment, you are scared. The fear happened fast, and it was a reaction to a surprise.
But now, let's look at the second word, afraid. This word is slightly more formal. We usually use it for a deep, long-lasting fear or a serious phobia, not a sudden jump.
Right. Let's use another real scenario. Imagine someone invites you to go skydiving, jumping out of an airplane high in the clouds.
No thank you. I have a terrible fear of heights. I could never do that.
Perfect. While you could say you are scared, it is much more natural to say, I'm afraid of heights. It's a permanent feeling or condition you carry with you, not a sudden surprise.
There is also a massive grammar rule that traps learners here. You can put the word scared right in front of a noun. You can point and say, look at that scared cat.
But you can never do that with afraid. It is grammatically incorrect to say, look at that afraid cat. The word afraid must come after the verb standing on its own. The cat is afraid.
That is a brilliant rule to remember. And afraid has one more secret job in English, right? It's used for polite apologies.
Yes, if a friend invites you to a party and you have to work, you can say, I'm afraid I can't make it. You aren't feeling actual fear. You're just politely saying no.
Your homework for today, think about your own fears. What is one thing that gives you a quick jump scare? And what is one deep phobia you are afraid of? Practice making 2 sentences out loud.
Using the right type of fear will make your English storytelling sound incredibly natural. You've got this.
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep growing.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. See you next time on Mady English.